Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Continuing on with my clear jelly stamper haul of stamping plates, featuring in this video is CJS-50 Petals of Lace, which I purchased from Nail.supplies, the UK stockist of clear jelly stamper. You can find all the information on where to purchase from, including social media links, in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I've got my usual scraper and I'll also be using the clear jelly stamper Big Bling XL stamper in pink. I've got 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to be starting with the green tip. For all of the swatches I'll be using clear jelly stamper stamping polishes, and for this design I'm going to be using 3 different greens, 77, 12 and 69. As always, any excess that I do pick up I will remove with my lint roller. This design doesn't quite fit the nail tip. A few of these designs from CJS-50 are really large. I definitely want to try shrinking some layered images just to see if it could work. If you've missed my review on this stamper, you can find it in my clear jelly stamper playlist. But this is a stunning design. There is also a smaller version on the plate as well. For the second swatch I'm going to be using a pink nail tip along with clear jelly stamper stamping polishes 005 and 004. For me, this butterfly is just amazing. I can see this image being used a lot by me, and I've already used it for this video. You'll also start to see some very small clipped videos of the swatching videos that I do over on my Instagram page. I'm just trying it out for now. You'll have to let me know what you think, but I love this butterfly. For my third swatch I'm going to be using a blue nail tip along with a blue clear jelly stamping polish which is number 10 and a white which is number 002. Now when I swatched the white I did find that a part of it didn't turn out well. I was swatching this plate on a really warm day, but because it's such a large image I really didn't see that it mattered too much. It's still a really pretty image, and I think a lot of what didn't stamp would have sort of been hanging over the edge anyway. For the fourth swatch I'm going to be using a white nail tip along with a plum clear jelly stamper stamping polish 040 and a sort of a greeny gold which is 046. This is the same as the swatch I did for the photo swatches. I really did like how it turned out, so I thought I would share how I made the pop stick swatch. Now personally I've never used colours like these two before together in a mani or a swatch, but I really liked it. It's a little unusual, but I think it is stunning. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I have created. CJS-50 Petals of Lace is so pretty. The images are just amazing. As always, I've swatched every design, which has created 25 swatches. There is a great mix of small to medium to really large designs. I saw some manis on the Clear Jelly Stamper Instagram page, which is how I came to purchase this plate. Now I will say that I had a little trouble with CJS-50. It had absolutely nothing to do with the swatching. As you will see from all of the swatches, they have come out really well. But the trouble that I had was getting the right colours to work together. These swatches were actually my second attempt at swatching this plate. I had to put it away one day. I just got so cross with it. Well, more cross with myself. I did find that the top swatch, so the lacy part of it, was better if the colour was lighter. I did one in black and oh yeah, it looked horrible. I hated it. There is also a couple of swatches that I honestly don't like. This has been a really hard stamping plate for me to swatch. I do think I maybe need to try again. Now I do know, and I have been told many times, that I am very hard on myself when it comes to swatching for my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think to CJS-50 and my swatches. I'd love to know what you think, and I'm definitely going to try some shrinking images of the clear jelly stamper plates. Now, would you like to see that being done on video? I'm more than prepared to do that. But I have to say, CJS-50 swatched beautifully. Even the large opened areas that I usually struggle with came out really well and had no problems with. And the lace is really pretty too. So other than my colour issues that I had, I'm really quite impressed with CJS-50, and I will be returning to having another try later on. So onto the mani, and I've used 3 different images to create this mani. I went with a butterfly and flower theme, and I have to say I really liked how this has come out. As you will see, the big butterfly I swatched in the video doesn't quite fit my really big thumb, so hopefully this will show you just how big some of these images actually are. But I love this mani, and I would definitely do it again. It is one of my favourites. As always, my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what I've used. There is a link in the description box for you. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-50. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.